Great Detector. The German technology present. The first in the world of prospecting and detect gold and precious metals. Great for us, the most advanced device in exploring gold and buried treasures. The device worked with 4 different search systems and a depth of 25 meters below ground level. The bag and device components. The main unit. Support of tablet. The charger. The main unit contains the sensor of main unit, the scan button, connection USB, the support tablet, and the table of 8.1 inch. How to adjust the length of the device. We open the joint and pull the column to adjust the appropriate length. The 3D scan system. Position the device horizontally 90 degrees. Make sure your device is 5 to 10 centimeters. We take 10 clips between 30 to 50 centimeters. The device is not affected by basaltic rocks. The signal is 25 meters deep. This system depends on capturing and uploading images, A graphic consists of several screenshots shown by the program, in the form of a graphical medium. Press the scan button and take a picture, then press the button and we take another image. We continue to take pictures according to the number of shots. The search area is divided into squares, between 30 and 50 centimeters. The number of shots is determined by the widget you're looking for. The colors indicate: green, soil color or area free; orange, metal mixture; red, fine gold. Important note: we can take 50 frames or more each piece. Discrimination between metal system. This system distinguishes all types of metals, gold and precious metals and voids. We direct the device to the ground. The vertical form is 90 degrees, and at a height of 5 to 10 centimeters. At the beginning of search, we direct the device from left to right, to detect the target. Important note: we press the scan button, length of search distance. It shows us a bar graph when we do scan the widget. The colors indicate: green, soil color or area free; blue, vacuum area; orange, metal mixture; red, fine gold. The horizontal scanning system. Orient the device horizontally at 5 to 10 centimeters from object. At the beginning of the survey, we click the button scans the length of the search distance. This system you may know target behind walls. The colors indicate: green, soil color or area free; orange, metal mixture; red, fine gold. The vertical scanning system. This system detects the minerals and gold directly with the device to the ground 90 degrees, and at 5 to 10 centimeters. We press the scan button a length of the search distance. At the beginning of survey, it shows us a direct graph. When the signal is taken, stop searching. We search the place indicated. The colors indicate: green, soil color or area free; Blue, vacuum area. Red, find gold. Grade 4S is a state-of-the-art German technology, and overcame the rest of the devices or weighted on them lightly. An ease of use and not affected by the device any natural factors, such as basalt rocks, which are affected by the rest of the devices. We offer all our customers all services, and provide them with a special section for to follow up on any queries needed. With the wishes of great detectors for your all success.